Tillman Barn Road. Woo, that's gotta be the next turn.
Earl said it's right past the old silo.
Almost there.
Can you tell me where Old Tillman Barn Road is?
2 miles past the grain elevator, turn at the broke mailbox.
There it is. Yeah, I found it. I'm standing right in front of the field now. Hello? Hello? Oh my God. It's actually real. Look at the state of it. "60 years. She's been sitting here 60 years.
Frame solid, floor pan I'm not sure about.
There you are. Straight through. We'll need to replace the whole lower skin.
Floor pan's gone in 3 places. Suspension looks okay though. Mushrooms, 4 kinds, inside the van.
Cargo holds intact. Original delivery crate bolted in. 3 rust-through holes in the roof. But the moss saved the metal around them.
Body panels 60% savable. Chassis 100% intact.
Nabisco ink. 1963. This is the real thing.
60 years. And it waited.
Chains through. Thread it twice. Here we go. 60 years of dirt. Rubber's gone, but the pinch weld underneath is perfect. 47 kilos. Hold the weight. Door goes on the rack. Every part gets protected. Track is seized, but the body's straight. That's what matters.
Original sound deadening. Still intact on the inside.
Engine bay exposed. Now we know the full picture.
Original Oreo wrapper. 1965.
All body panels off and logged. Structure is bare.
It's moving. 2 more rocks and it's out.
60-year-old foam. Basically powder now. Floor pan is the worst of it. But it's fixable. The Oreo speedometer stays original. Every piece of it. Original Oreo horn button. Mint condition. Cut, label, bag. Every circuit gets its own tag. Clean. Every piece is out. Now we build. 1963 original instrument. Treated like a museum piece. Complete rebuild. Everything in there is seized. Block is solid. I can hear it. Last bolt. Come on. The specialist says we weld it. We keep the original block.
60-year-old fuel residue. Smells exactly like you'd think.
Each circle is a repair. Count them. 42 patches needed. 150 PSI. Taking 60 years off in seconds. Look at the original stamping. 1963 steel. Perfect. There it is, the real thing. Under all of it.
15 by 8 centimeters. I'll cut the patch now. 20 gauge, same as the original body metal.
First weld. New metal meeting old.
Grind it flush and it disappears. That's the goal.
Chassis gets 2 coats of epoxy. Armor for the next 60 years.
Two halves, ready to become one. 3 minutes working time. Go. Eight zero grit. Long strokes, feel the highs. Guide coat shows where to go. Trust the process.
Primer seals everything. Surface is now ready for color.
This line has to be perfect. It's visible forever. Oh, there it is. That's the color. Blue and white. It's coming back. Perfect. Not 1 millimeter of bleed. Oh, clear coat flowing out. Watch the surface change. No swirls. No haze. Glass finish. From center out, no bubbles. Every letter correct. Every position perfect. Cookie goes back on the door, exactly where it was. Orange valve covers, fleet spec, original. Rebuilt from the crack up. This engine is better than new. New parts feel different. You can feel the quality. Front beam goes in first. Everything else builds from here. Drag adjusted. This brake will stop you in half the distance.
Easy to walk. Come down easy. Find the mounts. First connection. 1 of 40, but it's the first. First wheel. It's starting to look like something. Listen to that. Rolls perfectly. Stainless exhaust. Sounds incredible when it runs. Brake lines sealed. 0 flex. 0 leak. Chassis complete. Mechanically, fully, it's finished. Now comes the body. Route it right once, never touch it again. Easy, Tito. Hold Prulu, find the mounts too. There.
Oh.
Oreo speedometer goes back where it belongs. 1963. It fits. Sits exactly right. Original Oreo horn still works. Slow freight, level freight, don't touch the paint. She's got eyes again. Back door. Cookie emblem. This is the money shot. Chrome front bumper. Last exterior piece. Headlights in. Aimed right. She can see the road. 1,200 packs. Same load as 1963. She's loaded, ready for the first delivery in 60 years. Listen to that close. Perfect. 60 years. This is why we do it. Come on. Yes! Valves sound perfect. Oil pressure holding.
Look at the color in the right light.
The cookie on the back door. My favorite part. The interior is exactly right. 1963. This is what the work is for. Same van, same paint, same letters. 62 years later. They all know what this is.
Wherever she goes next. Same place. Different van. Hundred hours of work in one reflection.
White wall tires. Period correct. Completes the look. Sharing this one.
See you on the road. She owns the road.
Magazine shot, every time.
$1,200 packs. Loaded and ready.
She's coming for you.
Whole world is the delivery route now.
Warm up. Every morning the same.
Not 1 millimeter off. That's the standard.
Original rib pattern. Interior is factory accurate.
Best job I've ever done. For a job I've ever done.
Night changes everything.
What's next? What's next?
60 years forgotten, never again. This is where it ends and where it begins. Same van, no one would believe it.
Take care of her.
Blue hour every night.
What is next? There she is. Exactly right.